How to copy and paste a formula in Excel. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Excel. As you can see, I have two datas. I'm simply gonna type in a simple formula, which is plus. After I have added formula, answer will come. Now to copy paste, simply click on the answer cell and then drag it downwards. After you drag it downwards, simply leave the mouse and you'll find all your answer copy pasted in this way. This is how to copy and paste a formula in Excel. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.